First at 6 today, the FDA began its process of granting emergency use authorization to Pfizer for its COVID-19 vaccine in children ages 5 to 11 after an advisory panel recommendation.
KXAN's Jacqueline Powell is joining us here in studio to further explain how Austin Public Health has a plan for distributing these shots to young children.
Yeah, Robert Brett, APH expects that if everything does go according to plan, it could be giving out children's doses, small children that is, as soon as next week. Now, families will be able to get them in a variety of ways at their pediatrician's office, at pharmacies like CVS or Walgreens, or through APH specifically. Vaccines will be offered at these 4 spots across Austin: 2 Shots for Tots clinics, the Delco Center, and Old Sims Elementary.
A lot of the parents that are coming to us to get their 12-year-olds, they're like, when is it going to come for the younger ones? And we're like, just hold on, we'll let you know. So I know that there are a lot of people who are really just chomping at the bit to get their kids immunized.
RN Kathy Cavan will supervise 2 of APH's big distribution sites at the Shots for Tots clinics in Northeast and South Austin.
We've actually hired extra nurses, and we are training those nurses right now. We are increasing our capacity both in Shots for Tots and at the mass clinics, the mobile clinics.
She says operationally,
it's all really just waiting on that arrival of the vaccine. As soon as we get it in hand, we're ready to go.
APH Interim Director Adrian Stirrup told city and county leaders in a briefing that due to uncertainty about vaccine delivery at first, they'll start by giving out doses only at the 4 main sites.
Once we get into the flow and we're getting regular deliveries, and we imagine that will be the following week of the 15th, we will continue with our 4 static sites and add school pop-up clinics in areas that have limited access points.
Stirrup says they'll specifically focus on 4 zip codes, mostly encompassing the east side, as well as schools in Manor ISD for those pop-ups. Health officials say schools are already working on plans to host vaccine clinics on their own as well. So while APH may partner with some, students may also be notified of opportunities to get vaccinated by their individual schools. We wanted to check in on how schools are doing with COVID-19 case numbers. So we broke down some of the largest districts in our area, looking at whether they have mask mandates in place and whether student case numbers were rising or decreasing as of last week. And as you can see here, it's all over the map. We asked Austin ISD and Round Rock ISD, the 2 listed here with mask requirements, if they have plans to allow students to take off their masks once they're fully vaccinated. Both districts told me, though, that there hasn't been any talk of that yet. Back to you.
Jacqueline, thank you so much. And there is still an uphill climb, as you can imagine, for some parents to feel comfortable getting their younger children vaccinated against COVID-19. Last month, Gallup surveyed parents about whether they would vaccinate their child under the age of 12. And check it out, a slim majority said they would vaccinate their child, just 55%. And it nearly matches the percentage of those parents concerned about whether their child will catch COVID.
You can trick or treat for Halloween and get a COVID-19 vaccine shot at the same time. Idea Public Schools partnering now with Walgreens to host a free clinic coming up tomorrow. They'll also give out flu vaccines as well if you need one. It's for anyone eligible. For COVID vaccines, that means ages 12 and up. And because it is trick or treat time, they will also be handing out candy, including a prize for the car with the best Halloween theme. It all starts at 5:30 tomorrow evening at the Idea Pflugerville campus out on West Branch Parkway.